Assalamualaikum and welcome back to morEwish Cuisine. This Eid, if you're looking for something unconventional but easy and delicious, this Nutella cheesecake pie is perfect for you. This recipe needs handful of ingredients and this is Nutella lover's dream. So without further ado, let's go and make it happen. So let's start our recipe. Bismillah. First in a bowl, I'm adding softened cream cheese with some Nutella. Then with the help of electric mixture, I will start mixing until they both are completely combined for like a minute or two. Now scrape the sides and I will add whipped topping. Now if you don't want to add whipped topping or you don't have a whipped topping, you can substitute it with whipping cream. With the very light hand, just start folding until everything is fully combined. Now we need base. Today I am using store-bought pie crust. You can just crush the Oreo and make by yourself as well. Transfer all the filling in there, smooth the top and put it in the fridge for at least 4 hours or overnight. And your Nutella cheesecake pie is ready to serve. You can top it off with chocolate shaving, drizzle some Nutella or whipping cream. The only downside of this recipe is that you have to wait for this to chill completely before slicing it. And if you're trying this recipe at home, please let me know how it turned out with you. If you want to learn something else, let me know. Leave me a comment down below and I will try my best to make it happen for you guys. Once again, thank you so much for watching. And if you like this recipe, don't forget to click on the links to enjoy a lot more recipes like this.